Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to learn subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping or borrowing. We are in class 2 now and we will be learning regrouping of both the tens and hundreds place and perform the subtraction operation. Subtraction is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. First, we will see regrouping of tens. Subtract 168 from 873. How will you begin the subtraction? First, write down the number from which we are going to subtract. Then write down its place value. This will help you to write down the other number at its appropriate places. Now write down the number which you are going to subtract from 873. Begin the subtraction from the ones place. In ones place we have 3 minus 8. We know that 8 is greater than 3. So what do? You go to the tens place and regroup the tens place or borrow from the tens place. In tens place we have 7 tens which can be regrouped as 6 tens plus 1 10 or 10 ones. So 7 tens will become 6 tens and the 10 ones will be given to the ones place. In ones place, we already have 3 ones. So 3 ones plus 10 ones will give you 13 ones. So now in ones place you have 13 ones. 13 minus 8 will give you 5. Next move on to the tens place. 6 minus 6 is 0. And in hundreds place, 8 minus 1 is 7. So subtraction of 168 from 873 will give you the difference or the answer 705. Let us do another sum. Subtract 27 from 642. So you're going to subtract a 2-digit number from a 3-digit number. So write down the number from which you're going to subtract and write down its place values. Now it will be easy for you to write down the 2-digit number at its appropriate places. Begin the subtraction from the ones place. 2 minus 7 in ones place cannot be done because 7 is greater than 2. Move to the tens place and you can borrow from the tens place. So regroup the tens place. 4 tens is equal to 3 tens plus 1 10 or 10 ones. So 4 tens will become 3 tens. And the 10 ones is given to the ones place. In ones place you already have 2 ones. 2 ones plus 10 ones will give you 12 ones. So now ones place becomes 12 ones. 12 minus 7 in the ones place is 5. Next move to the tens place. 3 minus 2 in the tens place will give you 1. In hundreds place take and write down the number 6. So subtraction of 27 from 642 will give you the answer 615. Hope you have understood how we are regrouping the tens place and doing the subtraction and arriving at the answer. Next we are going to subtract 8 from 444. So we are going to do a single digit subtraction from a 3-digit number. Write down the 3-digit number and its place values so that you can write down the single digit number at its correct place. Now begin the subtraction from the ones place. In ones place we know that 8 is greater than 4. So we have to borrow from the tens place where you have 4 tens. 4 tens can be regrouped as 3 tens plus 1 10 or 10 ones. So the 4 tens will become 3 tens and 10 ones will be given to the ones place. In ones place you already have 4 ones plus 10 ones will give you 14 ones. So ones place will now become 14. 14 minus 8 in the ones place is 6. And in the tens and hundreds place you can take and write down the digits as such. So the answer for the subtraction of 8 from 444 is 436. Next we are going to learn regrouping of hundreds and tens. So stay with me till the end of this video. Subtract 246 from 445. Write down the numbers one below the other because both of them are 3-digit numbers. Write down their place values and begin the subtraction from the ones place. 5 minus 6 in ones place cannot be done because we know that 6 is greater than 5. So we have to borrow from the tens place. In tens place you have 4 tens. Regrouping the 4 tens you will get 3 tens plus 10 ones. So 4 tens will become 3 tens and the 10 ones is given to the ones place. In ones place you already have 5 ones. 5 ones plus 10 ones will give you 15 ones. So ones place now becomes 15 ones. We can do 15 minus 6 and the answer is 9. Next in the tens place we have 3 minus 4. So here again we know that 4 is greater than 3. So now we have to move to the hundreds place for borrowing. So in this sum we are going to regroup the hundreds place where you have 4 hundreds which can be regrouped as 3 hundreds plus 100 or 10 tens. So 4 hundreds will become 3 hundreds and the 10 tens will be given to the tens place. In tens place we already have 3 tens. 3 tens plus 10 tens will become 13 tens. So now in the tens place you will have 13 tens. 13 minus 4 in the tens place will give you 9. Coming to the hundreds place, 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is the difference between 246 from 445? 199. Let us do some more sums for regrouping the tens and hundreds please. Now subtract 95 from 755. Write down the 3-digit number from which you are going to perform the subtraction operation. Write down its place values. Now you can write down the number 95 at its correct places. Begin the subtraction from the ones place. Ones place you have 5 minus 5 which will give you 0. So you don't have to regroup the tens place in this sum. Now in the tens place you have 5 minus 9. We know that 9 is greater than 5. So we have to regroup the hundreds place which has 7 hundreds. 7 hundreds can be regrouped as 6 hundreds plus 100 or 10 tens. So 7 hundreds will become 6 hundreds and the 10 tens will be given to the tens place. In tens place you already have 5 tens. 5 tens plus 10 tens will give you 15 tens. So tens place now becomes 15 tens and 15 minus 9 in the tens place will give you 6. Now in the hundreds place you can take and write down the digit 6 as such. So what is the answer for subtraction of 95 from 755? It is 660. Let us do the next sum. Subtract 237 from 500. Here we have zeros in the bigger number. So let us see how we are going to do the subtraction. Write down the numbers one below the other. Write down its place values and begin the subtraction from the ones place. In ones place you have 0 minus 7. We know that 7 is greater than 0. Next you move to the tens place where it is 0 minus 3. So we'll have to move to the hundreds place because we know that 3 is greater than 0 and from 0 you cannot borrow. Next you move on to the hundreds place where you have 5. So 5 hundreds can be regrouped as 4 hundreds plus 100 or 10 tens. So 5 hundreds becomes 4 hundreds and the 10 tens is given to the tens place. So now in tens place you have 10 tens. We have to regroup this 10 tens again which will be 9 tens plus 1 10 or 10 ones. So the 10 tens will now become 9 tens and that 1 10 will be given to the ones place. In ones place now you have 1 10. So 10 minus 7 will give you 3 in the ones place. Next in the tens place it is 9 minus 3 which will give you 6. In hundreds place 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference is 263. Let us do another sum. Subtract 8 from 600. So you're going to subtract a single digit number from a 3-digit number which is involving zeros. Write down the 3-digit number, its place values and write down the 8 in the ones place. Begin the subtraction from the ones place. 0 minus 8. We know that 8 is greater than 0. So you cannot borrow from the tens place also because you have 0 in the tens place. So we have to borrow from the hundreds place which is having 6 hundreds. When regrouped, it becomes 5 hundreds plus 10 tens. So 6 hundreds will become 5 hundreds, and the tens place now we will have 10 tens. We'll have to regroup this 10 tens once again, which can be regrouped as 9 tens plus 10 ones. So 10 tens will become 9 tens, and the 10 ones is given to the ones place. So in ones place 10 minus 8 is 2, and in the tens and hundreds place you can just take and write down the digits 9, and in the hundreds place it is 5. So subtraction of 8 from 600 is 592. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 2 under the topic subtraction for the children, of which I have covered the first topic, subtraction concept, properties and keywords, subtracting 2-digit numbers with regrouping of tens and check using addition. I have also covered subtracting 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Each of these topics have been covered in separate videos. Links to all those videos are given below in the description box and also in the iCard section, or you may also click on the in-screen video at the end of this video, which will contain the playlist for all the videos for class 2 subtraction. Now in this video we saw subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping of tens and subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping of both the hundreds and tens place. In my upcoming videos I will be dealing with the topic story sums and mental math and subtraction worksheet. Each of these topics will also be dealt with in separate videos, and link to all related videos will be given in the description box for your quick and easy access. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next topic on subtraction. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.